Hi, welcome to class. Okay, we have another interesting equation on the board. Very simple. Quadratic equation question. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are x is equal to -2 or x is equal to 7. Alright, so we start. X is equal to -2 means or implies that if I move this one here, I have x. If this moves to this side, the sign will change to positive, okay? The opposite of negative is positive, so it will be +2 is equal to 0. Alright, let's look at this. X is equal to 7 implies that if I move this here, it will be x. This is a positive number, so if it goes to meet this one, it will become minus. -7 is equal to 0. Is that understood? Now, for the quadratic equation, two of them are the roots. For this to be equal to 0, it means we now find the product of them, x plus 2 bracket x minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to expand this. How do we expand? You use this to multiply the whole of this. So I'll do x multiply the whole of this, x minus 7. When I'm done, then I will use this one plus 2 to multiply x minus 7. Everything is equal to 0. Alright, so we start. X times x is x squared. X times minus 7 is minus 7x. 2 times x is plus 2x. Plus times minus is minus. Okay? 2 times 7 is 14 equals to 0. Okay, so these two we can simplify it further. So I have x squared minus 7 plus 2. You are owing somebody 7 oranges and you have. Plus is what you have. Minus is what you are owing. Minus 7 plus 2. You are owing 7 and you have 2. If the person comes to you, what will you do? You give the person the 2 that you have and say, I'm still owing you 5. So because you are still owing 5, it will make it minus 5x. Alright, minus 14 is equal to 0. Then another way to do this is when the small number is the one having the positive sign and the big number is the one having the negative sign, the answer will be in negative. You do your normal subtraction and then put negative. So that's what we do. If you do normal subtraction, 7 minus 2, it will give you 5. But because it's the small number that is carrying plus, that's why the sign will be negative. Is that understood? So this is now the quadratic equation whose roots are -2 and +7. Alright, isn't that simple? Very simple. So continue to follow me for more.